When was the last time you traveled north? Hi, in this video we'll give you a quick tour to the latest travel trends in Baguio after pandemic. So let's begin with the newest tourism site here in the touristy city of Baguio, the Igorot Stone Kingdom. As we visited here, we realize it's not just gonna enrich the culture of the Igorot communities, but will also open the windows to the past and will revive parts of culture and traditions throughout the Philippines. It's really amazing and the tourists flocked here massively. So don't forget to visit this magnificent man-made structure when you go up north. Grab your camera and take a groovy with your friends and families. The entrance fee to this trending site is just for 100 pesos. Sulit, di ba? Next up, we visited the old-time favorites. How is it now and what do we have here? Boating at the Burnham Park. This cold touristy experience can truly be felt while sailing in this tourist flock park, and you can have someone to do the paddling so you can enjoy the scenes with your friends and your families. So we talked to our companion and he said hundreds of tourists are starting to overcrowd the city's attractions. So there. And you don't need to worry, these cheap thrills that we indulge in are really affordable. So you just need to pay 150 each and you can do this paddling and sailing experience in the Burnham Park. Everything is very affordable here in Baguio City. Even the taxi, even even the even the street foods, and even the tourist side. So you just need to pinch a little more cash from your wallet. This cold side trip is not complete without going through the Burnham Street. And there, you can see that the street food parks in Park Adventures are actually back everywhere. It's good to see the children in different rides and groups started to enjoy various street foods while having fun in this cold city. Of course, just a tip when you go to places like this memorable places, you don't go to fast food or to malls to eat out. Try their street foods and you can really feel how it is to be here. And you have not been to North without going at night for the Baguio night market. The cheapest jackets, shoes, t-shirts, name it, it's on sale every night for the ukay ukay, just like the old times. After pandemic, it's so nice to see business are getting back to normal. And yeah, there's a lot more places to go, but we can't miss the strawberry farm where we get to buy most of our pasalubong. There are still a whole lot of new places and attractions here in the touristy city of Baguio, but just for now, these are all the places that we got to visit. And just sharing, this is the teachers' camp, our temporary shelter. Most of the activities are being held here. It's old, yet still so nice. Still feel cold at night. See you around. As I mentioned, that there's a whole lot of tourist site that you can still visit here in Baguio. And yeah, we're looking forward that we can also tour around more places. And for those who have been here after pandemic, you can comment down below the places that you have been. All right, thank you so much. So I'm using this Wondershare Filmora 11 to actually film or finalize my travel blogs. It has a very easy user interface. So ayan, nakita nyo, you can just simply import the media files. So from here, you can select all of these videos and pictures, and then automatically they will be inserted in here or added here in the interface. And right after that, you can just simply select the media file and then drag to the timeline if you want to add it on the timeline. So as you can see, lahat po ng aking, I already added all my videos and pictures in the timeline. So it's just very easy. I'm using this Filmora 11 because it saves me time and effort. You can actually edit your videos very quick and very fast. And of course, it has bunch of cool effects and a lot of transition effects. So there are a lot of options that you can use, and you can use this. You can use the stocks for free. It has also a lot of options for music and sound effects that you can also use for free. So I mean, all you need to do is just one software to do all of these things. So I'm using this Filmora 11 to actually finalize all my travel vlogs, and it gives me so much convenience. So I'm gonna put the download link in the description for you to find out this very creative software that you can also use if you want to engage in content creation.